Himalayan salt plates are beautiful pieces of gourmet cookware. These plates come from the Himalayan mountain range in Pakistan and are millions of years old. To keep the beauty of your natural plate and extend its useful life, be sure to properly care for it. Because your salt plate is a natural product, it will slowly deteriorate over time. Salt plates come in many different colors, and they may change color as you cook with them. As you can see, this salt plate has changed color quite a bit, but it's been with me for about 4 to 6 months, and it still works just fine. As you continue cooking with your salt plate, you may have to preheat your salt plate gradually and in stages. Start with a low flame for 15 minutes, then on to medium flame for 15 minutes, then finally on high flame for 15 minutes. This is to prevent the plate from cracking. For cold use and presentation, freeze your plate at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before serving. Using a frame with your salt plate will reduce pressure on any one point of the plate, minimizing the risk of cracking. Frames with handles make it easier to carry, reducing the risk of dropping your plate. Salt plates are naturally antimicrobial, so there's no need to use soap. Simply scrub under a small stream of running water with a sponge or brush. You can scrape off any baked-on bits. When you're finished cleaning your salt plate, be sure to dry it thoroughly with a clean cloth or paper towel. Store your salt plate in a protected, dry environment, such as your cabinet or pantry. We hope these care and cleaning tips will help your salt plate last for many meals to come.